Click on the link below to get price. The TUMI Voyageur Leger 4-wheel luggage is a remarkable blend of style, functionality, and durability, making it a top choice for modern travelers. Weighing in at just under 6 pounds, this suitcase is exceptionally lightweight, allowing you to maximize your packing without exceeding airline weight limits. The spacious interior is thoughtfully designed, featuring multiple compartments and pockets that help keep your belongings organized. The main compartment is roomy enough for several days' worth of clothing, while additional zippered pockets provide convenient storage for smaller items like toiletries and electronics. The exterior of the TUMI Voyageur Leger is crafted from a high-quality nylon fabric that not only looks sleek but is also resistant to wear and tear. The chic design is available in various colors, ensuring that you can choose one that matches your personal style. The 4 multidirectional wheels glide effortlessly, making maneuvering through crowded airports and train stations a breeze. The telescoping handle extends smoothly and locks securely in place, adding to the overall ease of use. Another standout feature is the integrated TUMI tracer, which allows you to register your luggage and track it in case it gets lost. This added security is a significant peace of mind feature for frequent travelers. The suitcase also includes a built-in TSA-approved lock, which provides extra protection for your belongings. While the price point is on the higher side compared to other luggage options, the TUMI Voyageur Leger is an investment in quality. Its durability and timeless design ensure that it will withstand years of travel. The spacious interior, combined with thoughtful organization features, makes packing and unpacking hassle-free. In conclusion, the TUMI Voyageur Leger 4-wheel luggage is perfect for women who value both style and functionality. Its lightweight design, ample space, and thoughtful features make it an excellent choice for any traveler looking to elevate their travel experience.